Baji, please tell us where are we?
We are in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere, and we're doing clay pigeons.
You'll be thinking, why these? The boards are to protect us from this.
Yeah.
This.
Is there a
With a shotgun, you don't aim it like a rifle, you find the object that you shoot. It's a moving target. That's why you need both eyes operation.
Oh, okay, so you can like kind of like see
You can
around
gauge,
you.
You can gauge its speed, trajectory and everything. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, cool. Okay.
How did it feel?
Yeah, sorry. Did I get it?
Reaction shot.
No more cameras. Little check-in, guys. Don't think clay pigeon shooting is my thing. I'm good at everything except clay pigeon shooting, apparently. There you go. Welcome to the vlog. Oh. The boys.
I won. What was the actual score in the end?
I think Josh won. I lost. But like, who cares?
Yeah.
I am still the coolest.
We're all winners.
But me and Jordan came second
But we came second, right?
by 1 point.
In numbers, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Oh well, it was all fun. Okay, bye. Subscribe, post notifications on.
Right.
Oh hey. Yeah, it's focusing now. Yeah. Alyssa, what's that?
This is Richard Glasby's new album. Eclipse, might I add.
Yeah, we like jazz.
We love jazz.